Hello, today we will learn chapter 6, combustion and fuel. Question 3, explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our city. So पेट्रोल डीजल जो है those are conventional fuels and fossil fuels जो कि अब तक यूज होते थे for in our automobile. इनके combustion से there used to be lot of air pollution and residues जो कि air के अंदर रह जाता था after the combustion. But nowadays CNG that is compressed natural gas is being used as a source of fuel. Now CNG जो है उसके अंदर toxic gases जैसे sulfur dioxide, oxides of nitrogen ये कम होते हैं. So दैट इज वाई इसमें इसके थ्रू पोल्यूशन भी कम होता है. दैट इज द रीजन सीएनजी को है वो क्लीन फ्यूल कंसिडर करते हैं. नाउ इट इज बीइंग यूज्ड इन ऑटोमोबाइल्स टू रिड्यूस पोल्यूशन इन आवर सिटी. Question 4. Compare LPG and wood as fuel. So LPG, it is a gas compressed in liquid form. Wood is a solid fuel. LPG requires less space for storage, whereas wood को ज्यादा space ही है for storage. LPG leaves no residue or harmful gases on burning. जबकि wood को burn करने पे we get ash as a residue and harmful gases are also produced. Calorific value of LPG is 55,000 kilojoule per kg, whereas wood की calorific value is only 17,000 kilojoule per kg. LPG is a clean fuel because ये कोई एयर पोल्यूशन या किसी तरह के पोल्यूशन कॉज नहीं करता है, जबकि वुड जो है इट कॉजेज एयर पोल्यूशन. Question 5. Give reason. In this first is water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipment. We know that water जो है that is a good conductor of electricity. In case of fire in any electrical equipment, अगर हम water use करेंगे तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो है वो फ्लो करेगा इस वाटर के थ्रू एंड देयर माइट बी शॉक टू एनीबडी नियर और आसपास की भी सराउंडिंग और अदर इक्विपमेंट्स हार्म हो सकता है. दैट इज वाई इलेक्ट्रिकल फायर्स के लिए हम वाटर की जगह पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स यूज करते हैं. Second is LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. So as we have discussed earlier, LPG जो है that is better domestic fuel than wood because wood जो है that on burning will produce lot of waste product that is ash plus also various kinds of harmful and toxic gases on burn. जबकि liquefied petroleum gas जो है that will not cause any pollution as well as कोई residue भी उसके लेने के बाद नहीं बचता है. So that is why it is a better fuel wood. Paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminum pipe does not. Ignition temperature जो है of any substance is the lowest temperature at which a substance will catch fire. So ignition temperature of paper is very low. जबकि ignition temperature of paper wrapped around an aluminum pipe would be high. So that is the reason कि सिर्फ paper अगर है तो that will catch fire easily. जबकि अगर किसी paper को aluminum pipe के आसपास wrap करते हैं so it will not catch fire easily because उसका ignition temperature would be. Question 6. Draw a label diagram of a candle flame. So in this picture you can see that there are 3 zones of a candle flame. The innermost zone is known as the dark zone जहाँ पर कोई combustion नहीं होगा. Middle zone that is the yellow colored zone, उसके अंदर incomplete combustion होगा. That is why it will be blue in color. The flame will be blue in color और यहाँ पर soot particles होंगे. This zone would be moderately hot and the outermost zone would be blue in color, hottest part of the flame. जहाँ पर complete combustion होगा because of ample amount of oxygen present. यहाँ पर कोई रेसिड्यू नहीं. 7. Name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. Calorific fuel value of a fuel is amount of energy जो release होगी या obtain होगी when we burn 1 kg of fuel. So calorific value will be expressed kilojoule per. Example of calorific value of LPG is 55,000 kilojoule. Question 8. Explain how CO2 is able to control fire. So fire जो है that requires carbon dioxide जो है that is heavier than oxygen. So whenever there is a fire, we can spread this CO2 gas from a fire extinguisher so that being heavier ये जो है वो fire के ऊपर से ऑक्सीजन का कांटेक्ट तोड़ देगी and that is how we will be able to control fire.